Hi, I'm Danielle, Mime Tech, and I'm going to do a sunflower nail set with regular polish. So right now I'm just setting down the base coat. I'm just going to do one of these because the sunflowers, I really want them to pop against this beige background. Now I'm using kind of a bronze color to set the center of each sunflower on the nail. This middle finger, I'm going to try to do two facing each other. Now I'm taking brighter gold color and just adding some little dots for, flecks within the center of the sunflower. And now I'm using my palest yellow to outline where the petals of the flowers will be going. So I'm right-handed, and so when I paint anything on my right hand, I'm using my left non-dominant hand, and it never comes out as good unless it's a very abstract pattern, but this time it came out pretty nice actually. It must be because the flowers are just a little bit rough around the edges. Now I'm using a slightly darker yellow to really give the flower petals some depth. And notice I'm just using a stylus for all of this because I find when I use the brushes, I don't get as much control over the product, and I don't know what I do, but I can never clean a brush properly. And here I'm working with my left hand again, making kind of a mess of my skin. So now for the finishing touches, I'm putting little tiny black dots on the center of the sunflowers. I think it really needed the black to give the flowers contrast against the petals. And here is the finished set. I think it came out really great, and the regular polish held up very well. Oh, so it's so cute, right? I'm gonna try to do a matching makeup look with these nails on. This is about a day later, so a lot of the polish has rubbed off of my skin where I made such a mess. And I love this set, honestly. I'm gonna do more flowers in the future. Thanks for watching.